How to customize your YouTube channel on iPhone. Want to give your YouTube channel a personal touch? Let's customize it from your iPhone. Go to studio.youtube.com using Safari and request a desktop mode from the AA icon. Or you can just browse the YouTube Studio app. Click on Customization. You can add channel art, a banner, profile and channel links. And click on the pencil icon. Once you're happy with the look, hit publish to apply the changes. And that's how you make your channel truly yours, from profile to banner to links. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.